Hi, I'm Kate. I hold a degree in primary education in English, and I'm native Macedonian speaker. I don't treat language as a mystery, I treat it as a system. My goal is to move you toward real fluency using logic and efficiency. Zdravo, македонският јазик бара прецизност, на моите часови фокусот е ставен на професионална комуникација и јасно владење со јазикот. Ве подготвам да зборувате со самодоверба во секоја ситуација. With years of experience as an onboarding trainer for Zalando, I bring corporate level precision to my teaching. I don't just give you words, I provide a structured methodology based on my academic background. If you value your time and want a result driven teacher, we'll work well together. I prioritize high quality modern materials in a professional environment. Check my availability and I'll see you in our first session. Do видување.